Hi and welcome to Style with Miss Victoria. I'm Victoria, and today I'm going to do the beloved mystery unboxing like y'all like to watch on YouTube. Before I do though, don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Leave a comment if there's something you would like to see that I'm not doing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Portland leather. If you have been on Facebook and you're a middle-aged woman like me, you've probably seen the ads for Portland leather bags and wallets and leather goods. I was looking at the comments on them and wow, lots of good comments. You don't always see that, you see a lot of complaints. So I thought I will use the big discount they send me and I'll order myself a bag. So I got to the website, nice website, and I actually saw they had a mystery bag +4. And I, as easily as I am being marketed to by Facebook and Instagram, I'm also a sucker for a mystery item. So I ordered the mystery bag +4 items today, and I just know I'm getting one of their bags and 4 additional leather items. It could be something that's on the website. It could be a different color altogether. I don't know what I'm getting. However, I will tell you, it arrived today and it says Tote Mystery Box +4 True Red. So we shall see if it indeed is true red. Anyhow, let's get going. I pre-opened it with a knife so that I didn't cut my finger off during the video and scare you all. And I scared the cat away. So, oh my gosh, it smells very leathery. So if you like the smell of leather, whew. It says, thank you, Portland Leather. Follow us on Instagram. Tag us at #LoveMyLeather. And it says scan code for leather care tips. And there's just a bunch of information. So, pretty cute. Nicely packaged. Oh wow, it smells very strongly. It is indeed true red. It's very, wow, this is very pretty. Okay, let's see what we have here. Look at this bad boy. First of all, I forgot to tell you, this mystery box +4 items, you get the tote and the 4 items, $148. So, this is the true red large tote. Wow, isn't this humongous and beautiful? It's really pretty. I mean, wow. This is a smooth leather, not pebbled or anything. It has a big suede pocket on the front. It's got some straps. It has a little key fob inside, which is really cute to put your keys on. Inside, there's some more packages. We will get into in just a moment. Inside there's some more pockets and a big tag. It's really pretty. Not gonna lie, I really like it. I hope it holds up because this is pretty gorgeous. Look at that, it's big. You could fit an overnight outfit in it. You can fit your tablet in it. It'd be really great for a trip in the airport where you want to carry a lot of extra stuff. Very nice bag. So that is my main item that I got. True red, gorgeous leather bag with black leather handles. Let's put that aside and see what else I got. And these must be my other 4 items. Ooh, it's wrapped so cute. So artistically. Okay, oh, the first one. This is adorable. It looks like a pencil case. I don't know if it is a pencil case. It says Portland Leather Goods stamped on it. It's maybe a little makeup case. It doesn't say what it is, but I'm sure it's on the website, so I'll find out later and post it. How cute is that? It's in a little beige leather, textured leather. Nice zipper like that. The next item is, oh wow, look at this. This must be the makeup bag. Wow, this is such a pretty eggplant color. I am impressed. This is way prettier than my Target bag. It's gorgeous. It's just beautiful. You know, it could even be a little clutch, I suppose. I like it. Very good. All right, next is a tiny little triangle coin purse, I presume, in a kind of cognac color. It's riveted here, so it just opens up like a little cone, and you can keep coins or your drugs in it. Very cute. I like that color too. And finally, oh, I bet this is the passport case. It is suede in a misty blue color. It says Portland Leather Goods. Inside there's place for your passport and then 2 additional slides for any cards or additional ID you want to bring. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going to travel in super style now. Well, I heard everyone kept saying, you know, oh, the quality on these is so great. They look so nice. What a bargain. These are really genuinely nice. I think they're beautiful. Really nice quality, and the colors are really rich and vibrant. I like them a lot. $148? Yeah, completely. I mean, what a bargain. It was definitely fun. I think if you don't like mysteries, just ordering something on the site is probably going to yield amazing results as well, because I like everything I got. I will confess this is kind of silly, but you know, maybe if you're like a guitar player and you were busking, you could keep your picks in here. Of course, no one would tip you because you have a fancy leather pick holder, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, I definitely liked it. I'm happy I got it. I haven't bought a purse in over 2 years because I realized I had too many purses. So I put a moratorium on buying anything, but this tote, really great. Anyways, I'm going to wrap that up. Feel free to like this, ask any questions, comment if you liked anything in particular, or if you decide to get something like this, let me know because I want to see what you end up choosing. Subscribe, like, comment. Have a good day.